All right, let's go on to the next one. So we have this little masterpiece. This was the but highest engagement as far as the design on our Pinterest. If you haven't gone check it out, if you're just now seeing it. But what would personal stylist Mikara Reid rate this design? This is the highest saved. This is the most saved, highest engagement, highest impression on our Pinterest for the past. I want to say we did it for 30 days. So for the past 30 days, but it was actually more than that. I would rate this a 6. It's okay. I think the color is not flattering for me, but it's not ugly. It's not ugly. It's definitely a vibe. It does look good on her skin tone, but I don't know. I think it's the color. The color kind of just throws it off. What do you guys think? But whoever the nail tech is of this design, kudos to you. Check out the video with the analytics, because this is definitely this is getting the girls the highest attraction, and I'm giving you guys ideas. All right.